Apple introduced satellite communications with the iPhone 14 last year. This emergency feature is designed to send limited SOS messages in dangerous situations where no cellular reception is available. Plenty of feel-good stories of lives saved have since followed, and Apple has even extended the timer that the service remains free for early adopters. Samsung said that it was too early to follow suit with this year's Galaxy S23, but we had great expectations that the Galaxy S24 will have its own debut of satellite communications next year. In fact, Samsung's Park Jen allegedly said in October that 2024 will be the year. According to ED News, it will not be deployed at this moment. Instead of the one-way satellite communication structure enjoyed by newer iPhones, the business apparently opted to deliver something more beneficial rather than rushing a comparable product to Apple. According to an insider, when Samsung does strike, it will apparently provide a two-way service. While Apple just allows you to send messages via satellite, Samsung will apparently let you to receive them as well. It's unclear if this implies Samsung has changed their 2024 ETA or whether the technology will just appear later in the year in a separate line of phones. It would be odd if the firm introduced such a coveted feature on a mid-range device, but there is another premium launch in the works. Maybe the Galaxy S24 is lost as the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 gain. According to ET News sources, network connection testing for the S24 started on December 28, with the SK Telecom Kitanlugu Plus carriers the penultimate stage before commercial sales begin, which corresponds to the widely speculated January 17 launch date. The phones were apparently delivered by Samsung undercover. A box phone shaped like a lunchbox for secrecy feels like closing the stable doors after the horse has bolted, but there we are. In fact, there have been so many leaks that there is very little mystery left about the Samsung Galaxy S24 family. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.